Hi, my name is Robert Nguyen, and you're watching the BB Star YouTube channel. Click on that little red button to subscribe to my channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn. And click on that bell notification icon to get post notifications and never missing any new videos and views. Now let's talk about her YouTube journey. Lynn started her channel back on April 20th, 2014. Until today, total amount of subscribers are 229,000. Total amount of views is at 24 million. Average daily subs is at 93. Monthly subs is currently 2,801. Now let's talk about how much money she makes in a day, and this is going to be an estimate. Daily views, she gets about 16,000. 1,000 views gives a YouTuber between $3 to $5. So let's say $3. So her daily income is $48. Monthly income is $1,440. Her annual revenue from YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. Her income is $70,280. Now YouTube cut takes 45%. So her income after the YouTube cut is $9,500. Now Lynn also has a store, Darbin Orvar store, where she sells her plans and other stuff on a store. So currently she has 299,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, and let's say about less than 1% buy something, that's 1,495. So then she makes about $10 profit per plan sold. So 1,495 times $10 is equal to $14,950 per year extra that she makes on top of her YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know of the next YouTuber that you want me to do next.